Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best portable washing machines on Amazon. These compact machines are designed to be easily transported and set up, making washing clothes a breeze. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Giontex Portable Twin Tub Washing Machine. Introducing the Giontex Portable Twin Tub Washing Machine, the ultimate solution to simplify your laundry routine. With an impressive 20 pounds capacity, you can wash up to 12 pounds of clothing and spin dry up to 8 pounds with ease. Its semi-automatic design alleviates the need for hand washing. For time management, you can effortlessly adjust a washer timer to 15 minutes and the spin timer to 5 minutes per load. The 300W wash power and 110W spin power provide superior performance, while the lightweight and compact twin tub design makes it easy to move and store. What we like about it: saves time and money. Washes and spins at the same time. Uses very little detergent. What we don't like about it: may use a lot of water. Number 2. Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub Washing Machine. The Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub Washing Machine is designed with efficiency and convenience in mind. This amazing appliance allows you to wash and spin dry your clothes at the same time, saving you precious hours of your day. With a powerful 1,300 RPM motor, this portable washing machine can handle up to 8 pounds of laundry in the washer and 5 pounds in the spin cycle. The translucent tub container window lets you watch your clothes get clean, while the rotary controls for the wash timer offer flexibility. The time-saving and lightweight design makes it easy to move and transport, making it perfect for dormitories, camping trips, or anywhere with limited space. What we like about it: compact and durable. Gravity drain allows for easy drainage of water. Easy to use. What we don't like about it: may not handle larger loads. Number 3. Comfy Portable Washing Machine. The Comfy Portable Washing Machine is the ideal product for those looking to save space and money without sacrificing quality. This 1.6 cubic feet compact washer packs a punch with its 11 pounds capacity and 6 wash programs, making it the ideal choice for apartments, RVs, camping trips, and other small spaces. With a durable motor and stainless steel inner tub, this fully automatic washer is built to last and provide stable power for all your laundry needs. Plus, its see-through lid and LED display make it easy to keep track of your laundry's progress. An added advantage is its reloading feature, which lets you pause the wash cycle and add any additional clothes you may have missed during the initial loading process. What we like about it: powerful agitation and spin cycle. Attractive design with customizable settings. Includes wheels for easy mobility. What we don't like about it: a normal cold water cycle may be too long. Number 4. Black & Decker Small Portable Washer. Introducing the perfect solution to immaculately clean clothing: the Black & Decker Small Portable Washer. With 5 cycles to choose from consisting of heavy, gentle, normal, rapid, and soak, this washer can handle a wide variety of fabrics. It is perfect for lingerie and delicates, as it doesn't have an agitator to cause entanglement problems. Additionally, the cold water temperature settings available with 3 water level choices for small, medium, and large loads make it easy to customize the wash to your specific needs. The stainless steel tub is rust and corrosion resistant, and the transparent lid provides easy viewing of the wash cycle. What we like about it: surprisingly quiet while in operation. Features a transparent lid for easy viewing. Customizable wash, rinse, and spin settings. What we don't like about it: setup may be difficult and time-consuming. Number 5. Nictemo Portable Washing Machine. Are you tired of lugging your laundry to the laundromat or dealing with the hassle of a bulky washing machine taking up precious space in your home? Look no further than the Nictemo Portable Washing Machine. This powerful washing machine is compact and lightweight, yet can handle even the largest loads of laundry. With a spacious honeycomb-shaped inner tub capable of accommodating up to 17.8 pounds in a single load, you can easily reduce laundry time and complete your washing tasks more effectively. The full automatic system is equipped with a single cylinder and drain pump that allows the washing machine to be used for both washing and drying. What we like about it: can load up to 17.8 pounds. Great value for the money. Operates with minimal noise. What we don't like about it: setting up a hose connection may be challenging. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.